First, let's begin with integration management. Integration management, as defined by the PMBOK, are tasks that integrate the project into a unified whole. This particular knowledge area touches the 5 phases of the project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. First, to provide a bit of translation, these 5 phases, as outlined, most closely overlap with the 5 phases of a film and TV project, whereas initiation is most closely equal to creative development, where the screenplay is drafted, researched, and formed. This phase occurs on the organizational level above the project, and the organization, often a movie studio, TV network, or an independent creative producer, defines a business need the project is meant to satisfy, often including genre, story, and release date. Planning is most equal to pre-production, where the project manager, often a line producer, develops a project management plan which defines how the project will be carried out, who will do the work, how long it will take, and so forth. The project management plan must be approved by the project sponsor, often a movie studio, TV network, or an independent creative producer, to become official, and changes must be reapproved, though a change management process within the film industry is not well defined. It's often due to this that many films and TV shows often go over budget and over schedule. Execution is most equal to physical production. The project team gets to work producing the project's deliverables. This is done by the actual filming of the project. Monitoring and controlling is most equal to post-production. And while the post-production process is considered to be done after the physical production process is completed, encompassing editing, sound, music, etc., it is very common for post-production to begin during the physical production process with an assembly edit. This overlap allows fiscal sponsors, in the form of studio executives, as well as the creative producer and the director, to closely monitor and control the footage they are recording and to see how the footage will shape into the finished film deliverable. And finally, closing is most equal to wrap and marketing. It is part of this phase where the deliverables are finalized and the marketing process begins. It is worth noting that when we refer to deliverables for a film and TV project, we are not just talking about footage and a final DVD. There is a whole host of deliverables in the film and TV production process, including production binders with notes and legal paperwork from the various department heads, separated audio tracks with dialogue, music, and sound effects, as well as still photographs. Still photographs are particularly important for independent films for the distribution that must occur after the project is complete. But getting back to integration management is not managed by a single individual or by a project manager. Integration management encapsulates several tasks worked on by an entire team of people. This group of people, as visualized here, will serve in multiple specific functionalities, which we will delve into in our presentation. To get a better sense of the organizational structure of this team, here is a hierarchical flowchart. As you can see, it begins with the studio executives at the top, serving as the project sponsor, who has the creative producer working underneath them or her, and the creative producer supervises the line producer, which is sometimes referred to as the unit production manager or UPM. The line producer then supervises the various department heads, including but not limited to the production coordinator, the first assistant director, and the script supervisor.